In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily deposit money on KuCoin. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on KuCoin, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can pick up to $700 in sign-up bonuses. To create an account and claim your reward, simply enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log on for the first time, the page will look like this. And to deposit money first, you simply can go up here and click on deposit. Then you need to choose the coin that you want to deposit. Choose a network right here, and then you will get the address down here. So simply send this crypto over this network to this address, and then you will have it right here on your account. Of course, that works the same for any other cryptocurrency as well. The second option is, of course, to deposit with fiat money. So if you click on here, you can choose your fiat currency that you want to deposit. Let's choose euro in this case. Then you have two different payment providers, for example, AdCash, but there you have a small fee, or also just a regular SEPA bank transfer with only €1 of a fee. Then once you've completed your verification right here, you will be presented with the bank details for your bank transfer, which consists of a recipient number, an IBAN, and a reference code. These three things you need to include in your bank transfer from your own bank, and then the money will arrive right here within 1 to 2 days. If your bank supports SEPA instant transfer, it can also appear within a few minutes right here. That's how you can deposit euro and then hold euro on KuCoin. The second option is to simply buy crypto with your fiat on this platform. You can use your credit or debit card for that. Simply click on here, choose your currency and type in the amount you want to buy. And if you click on here, simply add your card right here. So you enter your card details and then just click down here on buy, and you can buy the cryptocurrency that you've chosen right here. So very simple. To check if your money has arrived, you simply can go up here to assets and then click on funding. So here you can always check if any money that you have deposited has already arrived. Don't forget to create an account on KuCoin by using the link down from the video description to get up to $700 in sign-up bonuses. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.